Well, some iconic American companies sent warning signs about the economy today. Officials at General Motors say earnings will be down $4 to $5 billion this year because of President Donald Trump's tariffs. Over at Hershey's, tariffs there expected to impact the company about $20 million a quarter. Closer to home, though, this could also affect the cost of a new AC unit this summer. TJ Dysart reports one Wisconsin company is already stocking up.
Before Wisconsin heats up for the summer,
Roughly how many AC units are in here right now, would you say?
Well, about 1,000.
Bill Brink is stocking up his warehouse.
Gonna have to buy in mass quantity to get the low price down for the customer.
The owner of Kettle Moraine Heating and Air Conditioning in Delafield is trying to prepare for an increase in costs blamed on tariffs.
We could say, well, the product is made in America or made in Mexico or wherever it's made, but all the things needed to assemble it came from all over the world.
Across multiple industries, American imports are seeing steep declines. ABC News reports the number of ships coming in next week to Los Angeles is down almost 36%. And in Long Beach, more than a dozen ships canceling trips this month. To get ahead of it all, Brink says he overstocked his warehouse with as many AC units he can fit before the price goes up.
If we were to buy anything today it will have the tariff applied to it. Everything in the building that you see, it's already been bought and paid for. So that's pre-tariff.
So how much does one of these normally cost you?
So, I guess I can't say an exact price because every house is a different size and every home is a different installation, right? But what I can say is that the product's going to cost more than it did.
So Brink says, buy now. In Delafield, TJ Dysart, WISN 12 News.
And so amid the ongoing tariff fight, President Trump's trade representative says the administration is in the middle of negotiations with multiple countries. Still, no deals have been announced.